Next problem. Find the equation of the ellipse whose focus is 1 comma minus 1 and eccentricity 2 by 3, directrix x plus y plus 2 is equal to 0. Given that focus S is 1 comma minus 1, eccentricity E is equal to 2 by 3, directrix is L congruence x plus y plus 2 is equal to 0. Now you have to find the equation of ellipse. We know that if you know the focus, directrix and eccentricity, by using the standard definition, that is SP by PM is equal to E, you can find the equation of ellipse. So let Px1 comma y1 be any point on the ellipse. So by the definition of ellipse, SP by PM is equal to E. So this implies SP is equal to E into PM. Now what is SP here? Distance from the point to the focus. So it will be root over x1 minus 1 whole square plus y1 plus 1 whole square is equal to, where E is given by 2 by 3 into PM is the perpendicular distance from focus to the directrix. So it will be x1 plus y1 plus 2 by root of 1 square plus 1 square. Formula mod ax1 plus by1 plus c by root of a square plus b square. Now by squaring on both sides, you will get x1 minus 1 whole square plus y1 plus 1 whole square is equal to 4 by 9 into x1 plus y1 plus 2 whole square by 2. The square root will be cancelled. Now 2 2s are cancelled, so 9 into x1 square plus y1 square minus 2x1 plus 2y1 plus 1 plus 1, it will be 2 is equal to 2 into x1 square plus y1 square plus 4 plus 2x1 y1 plus 4y1 plus 4x1. So 9x1 square plus 9y1 square minus 18x1 plus 18y1 plus 18 is equal to 2x1 square plus 2y1 square plus 4x1 y1 plus 8y1 plus 8x1. Now taking all the terms to the left hand side, you will get 7x1 square plus 7y1 square minus 4x1 y1 minus 26x1 minus 18 minus 18 and 18y1 minus 8y1. So you will get plus 10y1 and 18 minus 8. So plus 10 is equal to 0. This is the required equation. So locus of P, that is equation of ellipse, is 7x square plus 7y square minus 4xy minus 26x plus 10y plus 10 equal to 0, which is the required ellipse. Another very important model. Find the vertex, focus, eccentricity, length of latus rectum, major axis, length of latus rectum, major axis, minor axis, and equations of directrices, axis, latus recta of this ellipse. So let us see the first one. Consider equation of ellipse 9x square plus 16y square is equal to 144. So this can be written as x square by 16 plus y square by 9 is equal to 1 by dividing with 144. Now this is of the form x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1, where a square is equal to 16, b square is equal to 9, clearly a greater than b. So this is an ellipse in standard form. So let us consider the eccentricity. Consider eccentricity of the ellipse. E is equal to root over a square minus b square by a square. So E will be 16 minus 9 by 16. So root over 16 minus 9 by 16. E is root 7 by 4. Now you have the eccentricity of the ellipse. Now this is the standard form of the ellipse, where a greater than b. Now you have to find the all given data. Center of this ellipse is 0, 0. Center is at the origin. Now vertices of the ellipse is a plus or minus a comma 0. A and a dash plus or minus a comma 0. So they will be, what is a here? A is equal to 4. So you will get plus or minus 4 comma 0. Those are the vertices of the ellipse. Now foci are plus or minus ae comma 0. So you will get plus or minus 4 into where e is given by root 7 by 4 comma 0. So foci are plus or minus root 7 comma 0. Next, length of latus rectum. Length of latus rectum is 2b square by a. Ellipse is in the standard form, so length of latus rectum will be 2b square by a, where b square is equals to 9. So 2 into 9 by a is 4, so you will get 9 by 2. Next is major axis. So major axis, that is length of major axis. Major axis is along x-axis and its length is 2a, so it will be 8. And minor axis is along y-axis, so its length is 2b, so you will get b square is equal to 9, so b will be 6. Sorry, b will be 3, so 2b is equal to 6. Next, equations of directrices. Now directrices, equation of directrices are x is equal to plus or minus a by e. So you will get x is equal to plus or minus, what is a here? 4 by e is root 7 by 4. So 4 by root 7 by 4. So you will get x is equal to plus or minus 16 by root 7. Those are the directrices. And you have to find latus recta. You have the axis here, major axis and minor axis along x-axis and y-axis. Latus recta. Latus recta is a line passing through the focus and perpendicular to the axis axis of parabola. That means lattice recta are parallel to the vertical line. So their equation can be written as x is equal to plus or minus AE, since they are passing through the focus. Focus are plus or minus AE comma 0. So we can write them as x is equal to plus or minus AE. So x is equal to plus or minus, what is AE here? We have AE here plus or minus root 7. So these are the lattice recta. Another problem. Here also you need to find all the details about this ellipse. 9x square plus 16y square minus 36x plus 32y minus 92 is equal to 0. Now 9x square minus 36x plus 16y square plus 32y is equal to 92. You have to take x and y terms separately. Now here 9 into x square minus 4x plus 16 into y square plus 2y is equal to 92. So 9 into this can be written as x square minus 4x plus 4 minus 4. We have this as a minus b whole square, x square minus 2 into 2x. So by adding 4 and subtracting 4, you will get in the form a minus b whole square. Now here also plus 16 into y square plus 2y plus 1 minus 1 is equal to 92. So 9 into x minus 2 whole square minus 36, 9 4 jar, plus 16 into y plus 1 whole square minus 16 is equal to 92. So 9 into x minus 2 whole square plus 16 into y plus 1 whole square is equal to 92 plus 16 plus 32. So 9 into x minus 2 whole square plus 16 into y plus 1 whole square is equal to, now this is 90, 120, 130, here it is 36, so you will get 144. So this can be written as x minus 2 whole square by 16 plus y plus 1 whole square by 9 is equal to 1. So this is of the form x minus h whole square by a square plus y minus k whole square by b square is equal to 1, where a square is equal to 16, b square is equal to 9. So obviously a greater than b. Now this is an ellipse. X minus h whole square by a square plus y minus k whole square by b square is equal to 1. So it is an ellipse whose vertex is shifted to, whose center is shifted to some other point h comma k. So here the center is ch comma k. Let us find the details about this ellipse. So here eccentricity E is equal to root of a square minus b square by a square. So it will be root 7 by 4. So center of the ellipse is h comma k. Now where h is 2 and k is minus 1. So 2 comma minus 1. Next vertices capital A, H plus R minus A comma K. Since the vertices are along a line which is parallel to x-axis. So capital A, 2 plus R minus 4 comma minus 1. So you will get 6 comma minus 1 minus 2 comma minus 1. These are the vertices. Next 4C. 4C are S, H plus R minus AE comma K. So H plus R minus AE. H is 2 plus R minus AE. AE will be okay. E is root 7 by 4. A is 4. So AE will be root 7. So 2 plus R minus root 7 comma minus 1. Next, length of latus rectum. Length of latus rectum is 2b square by a. So 2 into 9 by 4. So it will be 9 by 2. Next, major axis. Major axis is parallel to x-axis. Parallel to x-axis, and its length is 2a. It will be 8. Next, minor axis. Minor axis is parallel to y-axis. Minor axis is parallel to y-axis. Its length is 2b. So you will get 6, where b is 3. Next, directrices. Directrices. Equation of directrices are x is equal to h plus r minus a by e. So what is a by e? So x is equal to h is 2 plus r minus a by e. A is 4 by e is root 7 by 4. So you will get 2 plus r minus 16 by root 7. These are the directrices. Latus recta. Equation of latus recta, x is equal to h plus r minus ae. So here plus h plus r minus ae is 2 plus r minus root 7. So x is equal to 2 plus r minus root 7. These are the required data about the ellipse. Next model, find the equation of the ellipse whose axes are coordinate axis respectively. That means the ellipse is in the standard form. Distance between foci is 8. Distance between directrices is 32. Let us see the first problem. Required ellipse. Required ellipse is x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1, a greater than b. That is the ellipse in the standard form. That is what they have given, whose axes are the coordinate axis respectively. Now they have given that distance between foci. Distance between foci, that is 2ae is equal to 8. So AE is equal to 4, and distance between directrices is 2a by e, that is given 32. You have to find the ellipse equation. Now that means a by e is equal to 16. Now let us multiply these two. You will get AE into a by e is equal to 4 into 16. So a square is equal to 64. And again you can take AE by a by e, that is equals to 4 by 16. So AA will be cancelled. E square is equal to 1 by 4. 4 4s are cancelled. So E is equal to 1 by 2. Now you are having a square b square can be written as a square into 1 minus e square. So b square is equal to 64 into 1 minus 1 by 4. So 64 into 3 by 4. So b square will be 48. 16 3s are. Now you are having a square and b square. So required ellipse can be x square by 64 plus y square by 48 is equal to 1. This is the required ellipse. By using the given data, distance between foci and distance between directrices, we have find the equation of ellipse in standard form. Second question. Let required ellipse is x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Now this ellipse is passing through capital A minus 2 comma 2 and b 3 comma minus 1. We are given that ellipse is passing through two different points. So by substituting this point, you will get 4 by a square plus 4 by b square is equal to 1. So 1 by a square plus 1 by b square is equal to 1 by 4. Let it be equation 1. And again ellipse is passing through capital B 3 comma minus 1. So you will get 9 by a square plus 1 by b square is equal to 1. Let it be equation 2. Now you have two equations and two variables. So you can solve them and find the values of a square and b square. Now consider equation 2 minus equation 1. You will get 9 by a square plus 1 by b square minus 1 by a square minus 1 by b square is equal to 1 minus 1 by 4. So 1 by b square is cancelled. 8 by a square is equals to 3 by 4. So a square is equal to 32 by 3. This is the value of a square. Now let us find b square by substituting a square in equation 1. So you have 1 by from equation 1 you have 1 by a square plus 1 by b square is equal to 1 by 4. So you will get 3 by 32 plus 1 by b square is equal to 1 by 4. A square is 32 by 3 now. So 1 by a square is 3 by 32. So 1 by b square is equal to 1 by 4 minus 3 by 32. So 1 by b square is equal to 8 minus 3, 5 by 32. So b square is equal to 32 by 5. Now therefore required ellipse is x square by 32 by 3 plus y square by 32 by 5 is equal to 1. So 3x square plus 5y square is equal to 32. That is the required equation of ellipse. Next problem, third one. Consider the ellipse in standard form. X square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. A greater than b. That is the ellipse in standard form. We are given that length of latus rectum is equal to 4. Length of latus rectum is 4. That is 2b square by a is equal to 4. So b square is equal to 2a. And distance between foci is equals to 4 root 2. That is 2ae equals to 4 root 2. You will get ae is equal to 2 root 2. Now from this a square e square is equal to 8 and we have b square is equal to a square in minus a square e square, or a square into 1 minus e square. So a square e square can be written as a square minus b square. So a square minus b square is equal to 8. So a square minus b square is 2a. So minus 2a minus 8 is equal to 0. This can be written as a minus 4 into a plus 2 is equal to 0. A square plus 2a minus 4a minus 8. But remember that a cannot be negative number, so a minus 4 equals to 0, a is equal to 4, and a cannot be minus 2 since a is the length. So you are having a is equal to 4 and b square is equal to 2a, b square is equal to 2a, so b square is equal to 8. So required ellipse is x square by 16 plus y square by 8 is equal to 1. That is the required ellipse. Next model, find the equation of the ellipse whose lattice rectum is half of its major axis. That is the first question. So consider the equation of ellipse. Consider the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1, a greater than b, that is the ellipse in standard form. It is given that length of lattice rectum 2b square by a, length of lattice rectum is equals to half of its major axis. Length of lattice rectum is equal to half of its major axis. Now we know that length of lattice rectum is 2b square by a is equal to 1 by 2 into major axis is 2a. So 2 will be cancelled. So 2b square is equal to a square. You are having b square is a square into 1 minus e square is equal to a square. A square will be cancelled. So 2 into 1 minus e square is equal to 1. 1 minus e square is equal to 1 by 2. E square is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2, that is 1. E is equal to 1 by root 2. That is the eccentricity of the ellipse. You need to use the given condition. Now the second problem, consider the equation of ellipse in standard form. It is given that length of lattice rectum is half of its minor axis. Half of its minor axis. So 2b square by a is equals to half of its minor axis is 2b. So 2b square by a is equal to b. So you will get 2b is equal to a. 1b can be cancelled. Now squaring on both sides you will get 4b square is equal to a square. 4 into b square is a square into 1 minus e square, that is a square. A square cancelled. 1 minus e square is equal to 1 by 4. E square is equal to 3 by 4. E is equal to root 3 by 2. That is the eccentricity of given ellipse. And I can do these two problems as homework and post it to me through WhatsApp.